Hey, it's Allison Bales with Energy Vanguard talking about my basement remodel. We are so close to being done with at least phase one. Let me walk you through here and show you what all we have done with this place. You can see a lot of stuff just in the shop right here. We've got flooring. This just happened a couple days ago. We've got cabinets. We've got most of the countertops. This is our little kitchenette for the guest suite. And we've got a couple of our registers for the ducted heat pump over here, the Mitsubishi ducted mini split. The return grill is not in yet, and the kitchen vent needs a little adjustment, but we're almost done with those. We've got the drywall done. We've got these nice bullnose corners. We've got it painted. Then we're going to get the plumbing, the kitchen sink, and the drain and the faucet in there, the dishwasher all hooked up. Then we're going to get the electrical. We got ceiling fans in these two rooms. We got lights. We got switches and outlets. All the electrical needs to get done. Smoke alarms. Let me walk you through and show you what it all looks like right now. This is the bedroom of the guest suite right here. And one thing to notice is that since we've gotten a lot of the finishes in now, you don't see a lot of that hard work I did, but you can tell by how wide this space is right here that we've got a much better wall than we used to have. We've got the concrete block wall for structural on our foundation here, and then we've got 3 inches of insulation right here on this wall, and the other exterior wall in the front of the house, we've got 2.5 inches of insulation. Another place you can see some of the building science work I did right here. The reason there's a gap in that baseboard right there is that we have an interior perimeter drain and there's an inspection port right there. So I'm going to have to find a way to get that closed up in a way that makes it as airtight as possible and as watertight as possible. And then I've got a piece of baseboard with shoe molding on that to put over the top of that to trim it out. Here's another thing that's going in. So when the electricians come, they're going to be installing the ceiling fans for, and this is one of the most efficient ceiling fans you can buy. It's got a very high CFM per watt. It gets a lot of airflow with that fan because it's aerodynamically designed. It's going to go right up there. And let's see what else. So another thing you can see here, this is boxed in because we've got the vent for the ERV right there. And the ducts go through the ceiling joist right up there, and they had to drop down below the ceiling joist to go over to the mechanical room where the ERV is. Closet here, not much to see there. We've got our suspended ceilings installed. Here's our bathroom with our nice hexagonal tile on the floor there. We got the toilet, we got the lavatory, we got the faucet. All kinds of stuff installed here. Here's our bathtub. And again, drop ceiling here. This is a humidity-proof drop ceiling, they say, so we'll see how well that holds up. An exhaust vent for the ERV right there. We do not have a bathroom exhaust fan here. We are using the ERV to exhaust the 2 bathrooms in the basement. All right, walking into the kitchen. Now you see our kitchen cabinets here that do not yet have the countertops installed on them. We're going to have the sink right here. We're going to have cooktop there, a little 12-inch cooktop, 2 burners. We're going to have a dishwasher here, and we've got our upper cabinets. We've got our drop ceiling. We'll have a light up there. We have the thermostat not installed yet. Because this is going to be a guest suite and we may rent it out at some point, maybe put it on Airbnb, we have an exterior door here with weather stripping and everything. And we've got a deadbolt here so we can separate this off from the rest of the house. And also the exterior door here with the weather stripping makes this more soundproof. Remember, right over here is where I did that wall with the double layer of 5/8 inch drywall and the putty pads to keep it as soundproof as possible. Mineral wool insulation in that wall. The weather stripping on that door will help with that as well. Outside the guest suite in the big room of the basement, we have our ductless mini split running up there to keep the basement warm. And we've got cabinets. We've got this is the one place we splurged a little bit and put a granite countertop here. This is the vent hood that is going in our little kitchenette right over there, waiting to be installed. We got our little sink and excess materials and packaging and things. All right, so that is the last update I'm going to do before the last update. At the very end of this process, I'm going to put together a more comprehensive video where I talk more about all the building science that I put into remodeling this basement of my 1961 home, and also shows a lot of before and after pictures, and talk a little bit about how we did things and refer to the other articles and videos that I've done about all this. So thanks for watching the Energy Vanguard videos about my basement renovation. And if you like this stuff, hit the like button. If you like our work and want to see more of this kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button and you'll get notified sometimes when we post new videos. So thank you again, and this has been a long process. If you are thinking about remodeling a basement, it's a lot of work. Shot my video of the basement.